Hey guys, I'm going to demonstrate how to put the grip back on the Alien. My hands are a mess because my gun is so dirty. That's okay, we'll clean it another time. It just means I've been shooting a lot. So you already see me take it apart in the way I held the trigger and the slide lock simultaneously while driving the grip module down. Okay, so what we're going to do now is you can see why these things need to be pulled back so that they're flush right here. Okay, so I'm pulling up on the slide lock and also pushing back on the trigger simultaneously. Let's change my grip a little bit here. Trying to do this so you guys can see it. It's a super tight fit, but once you get it, it slides on like that, okay? So the slide lock was fully pushed and the trigger was fully pushed, okay? So what we're gonna do next is put this roll pin in the back. I'm just gonna drive that in. It's great if you can get a nylon block like this. Drill some holes in it. Like that. So what I did here is just a big piece of HDPE plastic. I drilled some holes in it, okay? So that the pins could fall in there. So I went ahead and threw that pin in, and now we got this bolt. It's a 2.5 millimeter Allen key, and make sure you use a very good quality, very sharp Allen key, one that's not rounded off. Okay, I'm gonna torque that down. Okay, and now you're free to take the, in this case, the tape off the trigger. Okay. And that's all there is to it.